What's up, everybody? Welcome to What's in Your Bag. My co-host right here.
You keep doing that the gangster lead.
Holla, holla. I'm hoping this is MTV Cribs, but let's not ignore this pretty lady to my right. Tamara Lackey.
Like what?
Tamara Lackey, Nikon ambassador. How the heck are you?
I'm doing wonderfully, thank you.
When it comes to your personal work, or maybe your time with your family, your kids.
I've got one of those. The family and the kids.
And the kids.
Got
the whole
one.
package.
No.
Three
She
kids.
calls them humans. They're not kids. They're my little humans.
They're my little humans.
I've adopted that from her. I love it.
Nice. But first, when your gear choices between using it, maybe shooting your kids versus shooting work, do you approach those things differently at all, or is it kind of like the gear I have, I use it for everything, I travel with it?
Oh,
vacation?
no. I definitely, I will set up a time to properly photograph my children twice a year. And the rest of the time it's random. Let's get it. What can we get? You know, I'll still try to make sure I get, a cleaner shot.
Yeah.
But I certainly wouldn't say, hey kids, let's go to the mall. Let me grab my tripod,
Yeah.
Oh God, no. And personally, and I tell this to other people too, people I know whose sole focus on photography is of their kids, and they're thinking of going into photography professionally, but they're finding that's difficult. I think you're starting with the hardest subject ever, which is your own children. It's very hard to photograph your own children naturally and spontaneously, and to get them to like play along and this and that.
You will be happy, Tamara.
Right.
You will love this.
Love it.
This is a natural looking photo shoot and you're happy right now.
You're enjoying this.
Yeah, it's actually, you have to work, I think, 3 times harder for that. Whereas if you're doing a professional shoot and that you're not mom, you've got so much more leeway to mess around and play and get really cool expressions.
Yeah. Well, I think that you've given some fabulous insights.
I studied for days.
Did you?
Yes.
For this particular moment?
Yes.
Well, honestly, we really
This
appreciate
moment.
it for this holiday
get with the
moment.
signs.
Get with it. But honestly, Tamara mentioned a lot of different cameras. Like you mentioned something, honestly, I'm going to be honest here, I haven't heard of some of these cameras. But what's awesome is that Chase and his team over at Lens Rentals have some great options for choices of cameras that you probably wouldn't pick up or probably you wouldn't buy. So definitely try before you buy. But Tamara, where can we find your work?
TamaraLackey.com.
Okay.
And obviously on social media, you can find it all from the main website.
Yeah. Love it. And she definitely is very active in social media, very informative. You've got classes on every platform that you can think of. She's very, very giving with her education and of her time. So thank you so much for taking time with us today.
Thank you very much.